Guys, welcome to my Yummy Kitchen 74, the home of delicious, yummy, mouth-watering dishes, easy and quick to prepare. Join me in my kitchen today by watching this video until the end so that you can see how I prepare my oxtail. So yummy and delicious. Guys, follow this method. You are not gonna regret. You thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get cooking. First of all, I'm going to clean my oxtail to remove some scraps. But how I'm going to do it, I'm going to add lime, fresh lime cut into pieces. I used one lime, salt and vinegar. Then I'll add water. Then I left it for 15 to 20 minutes, left it aside. Then I started cleaning one by one. Guys, how do you clean your meat or oxtail? Just drop a comment there. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share while we are cleaning this oxtail. If you see, I'll transfer the oxtail in a separate dish so that I can chuck the water, throw away the dirt. As you can see how it looks, that water there, you'll see it at the end of cleaning. Then what I'll do, I'll add more water and clean it again, but that will be the last one. I don't want to remove all the nutrients. It's up to you if you clean 3 times or whatever. It depends where you bought your oxtail or how you think. So it's an option thing. Guys, oxtail is something that is very common, but it takes some time to cook. So make sure you watch this video until the end. For my oxtail to be cooked, it would take almost over an hour, because some of the oxtail can take long. It depends the type of oxtail you've got. Then after cleaning, I'll add a bit of salt. Then I'll add corn starch, 2 tablespoons of corn starch. Then I'll mix everything together before frying. I'll add some olive oil in a hot pan. And then I will add my oxtail and start frying it. I'll make sure I fry my oxtail until it's golden brown. Where are you watching it from? Please let me know where you are watching it from. I know I've got one of my fans in South Africa. I've got some fans in America, UK. UK has started topping up, but I know everything is fine with other countries. Guys, I'll season my oxtail using garlic powder, oxtail seasoning, black pepper, time, not forgetting hot rajah curry powder and ginger powder. Whatever seasoning you like using in your oxtail, guys, it doesn't matter. Then I'll also season it with whole pimento spice and half teaspoon of nutmeg, just to add more flavors in my oxtail. Guys, don't forget to watch my other videos. I've got lots of cooking videos. If you can go further, you're going to find lots of cooking videos, and also easy and quick recipes, and some of them very cheap, affordable. So watch my videos. I will now cut some onions and add onions in my dish. Then I'll make sure that I fry the onions until well cooked and tender. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. What do you think about my oxtail recipe? Let me know. Drop a comment. Do you like my recipe? I think you might like it whenever you try it and taste. Then let me know afterwards. I will also cut some fresh garlic, while I've also added 1 scotch bonnet, just to add that a bit spicy taste. I'll continue stir frying until my garlic is well cooked and tender. Guys, I will now add some tomato passatta. I like using tomato passatta. I don't have fresh tomatoes. I was meant also to add, but you can also add fresh tomatoes, but I think it's all the same because tomato passatta is just tomatoes which are blended. So I love them. So I'll continue to mix. As you can see, my oxtail looks already golden brown, but I'll add a bit of salt, and now the process begins, because now I'll add water and let it boil for at least 40 minutes. Then try to check it, add more water, bring it to boil. You continue doing that until your oxtail is cooked. As I said to you guys before, oxtail will take over 1 hour. It depends how soft you wanted it, but I don't like overcooking my oxtail, but others, they like it overcooked. So my recipe is different, and also I'm different from everyone else who loves it very like falling off from the bone much. I like eating my meat a bit tough because that's an African thing. So our oxtail is done. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much to all my subscribers, returning, new, for your support. Guys, I really appreciate. Thank you. God bless you. Ciao, ciao. Bye.